Knife Collector the Netherlands here. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Henk. In the previous video I showed some recent acquisitions for this month. Most of them I got in a trade. Today I want to show, I want to make a special video about this little knife. This one I purchased in the Netherlands at the dealer Mes & Zo. He's a real steel dealer, and this one came together with the Real Steel S571 Pro, and this is the E775 Griffin. It's a pretty affordable knife. The owner of Mes & Zo was so kind enough to provide me with some high-res pictures. So at this point I'll first show the pictures, just to do justice on the beauty of this knife. Okay, hope you enjoyed the pictures. This knife is very affordable. I bought it for €54. That's about $57, I think. It's the E775 Griffin. It's a little knife with button lock. Free falling button lock, as you can see. Let me give some data. This knife, the blade steel is 14C28 scientific steel. The blade length is 90 millimeters or 3.54 inch long. The blade thickness is 3.5 millimeter or 0.138 inch, and the total length of this knife is 20 centimeter and 7 millimeter or 8.15 inch. It weighs only 3.4 ounce or 98 gram. I call it a little knife because most of the time I prefer a longer blade, 4-inch blades, but in fact it is just a nice full-sized folder. The blade is a bit longer than 3.5 inch. But the knife is really lightweight. That's because most of the time I also carry heavier blades. I don't know why, but that's my preference. This one, 14C28 scientific steel and an aluminum handle. It is very well executed knife. The handle, all corners are chamfered, smoothed out. It's really a very smooth knife. You have to feel it to experience it. I think it's a very nice design. Nice finger choil to choke up. Really very good executed jimping. It's It's not aggressive, but it provides enough grip in both grips. Only the real steel name on the presentation side, and on the left side the model number and the steel. Nice stone wash finish on the blade. It's an open flow through design with one standoff and the pivot and the button lock to support the construction. The button lock can also be locked in place with this lever, so you cannot, the knife can't close on you when working. Personally, I don't use this kind of features, but it's nice to have the choice. Button lock is very well executed, no blade play, and the knife is free falling. Very nice. You can middle finger flick it. Quite a quick action, fast action. You can roll it open with or without the opening hole. I think this knife is very well suited for daily carry. Very nice EDC knife, and because of the gentleman-like appearance, I think this can work fine in an office environment or other situations where you can't carry aggressive looking folder knives. So I wanted to pay some special attention on this little knife, and forgive me, I say little knife because it's just a full-sized folder, but it doesn't look that big for me. Very affordable, €54 or $57. And the steel, the Sandvik steel, is a fine steel. Of course, it's not S90V or M390 or M4, but this will hold its edge very good, and it gets razor sharp, and maintaining that sharpness isn't an effort at all. Just daily a little strop and it will stay sharp for a very long time. And when you have to sharpen it, it's very easy to sharpen. I was very surprised with the quality and the fit and finish of this knife, and I can only recommend it at this point. It comes with a nice package with a little cloth to clean it, some paperwork, the real steel I forgot the number, 775 Griffin. I will provide a link to the shop mesenzo.com, and probably other real steel dealers also have this one in stock. That's it. Thanks for your attention. If you like the video, please like it. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Bye bye.